In the coastal city of Aqaba, Jordan's special economic zone, vision meets velocity. Welcome to Gia Apparels, the flagship project of the largest apparel manufacturer in the MENA region. Here, on a purpose-built 400,000 square meter campus, we bring scale, precision, and care together every single day. Since 2021, our 8,000 people have powered 2 world-class factories. One dedicated to Adidas, and another serving Sam's Club and Walmart. Together, we produce 150,000 garments a day, crafted with consistency, delivered with speed. Quality is our promise. From the first cut to the final inspection, every stitch is measured and every finish is verified. We don't just meet standards, we make them repeatable. Automation drives our flow. Digital planning, smart cutting, and streamlined handling shorten cycles, reduce waste, and keep us ready for what's next. Data guides decisions. Systems keep us aligned. Discipline sustains excellence. And 7S are not events here, they're daily habits. Safety always comes first. Ergonomics, training, and audits protect our people and protect every promise we make to our customers. Partnership is how we win. We collaborate closely on design, fit, and fulfillment. And beyond production, we build community, skills, careers, and pride, creating opportunity across Aqaba and beyond. Gia Apparels, where quality, care, automation, and systems come together, delivering excellence every single day.